Assalamu alaikum. I am Ifrah Waheed and I am going to talk about the world beyond the internet. If you guys heard about the metaverse and artificial intelligence, and if you know that what is cryptocurrency or NFT, so this is a very good thing because the upcoming time is based on these things. So I am focusing on blockchain technology. What is blockchain technology? Blockchain technology was discovered in 1991, but in early time it has no importance. People didn't know about it and didn't pay much attention to it. But when Bitcoin was launched in 2009 using this technology, researchers worked on it regularly. Bitcoin is an application of blockchain, and blockchain is a database in which we collect information, and it is in decentralized way, means it doesn't have a single server on which the data is being stored. Rather, it stores the data electronically on wide networks of computers. Information is collected in groups or blocks, and each block contains a limited capacity. When one block is full of data, it joins to another block and thus a chain is formed. And within each single block, this information is stored. Data, previous hash, current hash. The first block is called the Genesis block, which doesn't use a previous hash. Basically, hash is creating the chain. New hash is linked with previous hash, and the new hash of the next block is connecting with previous hash. So in this way a whole chain goes. If we look at Bitcoin's blockchain, which involves money transactions, saves the records, which involves the sender, which involves who sent the money means sender, to whom means receiver, and the amount of transaction. As I told earlier that each block in the blockchain is connected to a hash, and this hash is a kind of fingerprint. If you try to make changes in hash, so it's not easy. It is easy to track the history in blockchain. Once the data is stored in the blockchain, it will cannot be changed or manipulated because the data is not in a centralized way that it can be easily hacked by anyone. Rather, different copies of the data are held by other people in the network who are watching and voting the transactions. So, in this way, records can be kept secured by using blockchain technology. Transparency is created too, and the way of corruption is also blocked. Blockchain doesn't only transfers currency, but it also saves the data which is in written form. It is any values, numbers, or text. There are only two options in blockchain. One is read and the other is create. You cannot delete, change, upgrade, and hack this data. Let's discuss some uses and benefits of blockchain technology. The first benefit of blockchain is that it removes the third party between the sender and the receiver, means it involves direct dealing between the two parties, which saves the cost. Another benefit is that it fixed the voting system in election, and the current vote casting can be done. While in the current system, know that it doesn't not know whether the vote has been cast or not, and also the voters doesn't have surety about their voters that it cast to the one who was selected by them. If we attach the voting system to the blockchain, there can be a lot of transparency in it. The third benefit of blockchain is that it can also be used for the accuracy of educational records and also for maintaining the records of degrees. And in this way, it eliminates the fake degree system too. The fourth benefit is that it is also being used in the medical field by maintaining the history records of patients. The another benefit is that it can also be used in biometric attendance devices. There are also other various fields where blockchain technology can be used to cut cost while keeping the data safe. All the developed countries adopted this technology and use it in their respective work field. Relating to business field, blockchain is gradually prevailing in different departments because it is secure and also very fast. Thank you.